I drove over 8,300 miles in 2 weeks or so around the United States to see my Army buddies. We ate MREs and drank beer. But that's not this video. Why would you want to watch that? This video is the dash cam footage of my journey, where you get to see a summary snapshot of America the Beautiful, at sunrise and sunset, from coast to coast, with trees, deserts, and mountains in between, and some cool pit stops to stretch my legs. First order of business, escape New York. Well, that didn't happen. This is Leesburg Falls. You just drive right up to it. Fall colors still in effect here at Belle Isle, looking out at Detroit. Sorry, Indiana. It was early morning. Here's the Field Museum campus, and over here is Adler Planetarium on Lake Michigan in Chicago. This is the state capitol in Madison.
Cheese curds.
Doing a short little hike in Great River Bluff State Park to see the Mississippi River. Raining in St. Paul before a snowstorm. And here's me failing to get ahead of said snowstorm. This is negative 18 degrees, sleeping in the truck hotel and having deep conversations with my frozen balls. Quick stop at the Cheyenne River Valley National Scenic Byway. Here is Sandy, the world's largest sandhill crane. Named after my favorite president, this is Theodore Roosevelt National Park. I only drove around a portion of the loop, but it was gorgeous. I finally understand why they call this Big Sky Country. That's as pretty an entrance into any state as I've seen. I'm on I-84 heading west towards Portland along the Columbia River at sunset. Pittock Mansion, overlooking Portland, in the rain. It rained the whole time I was here. The Golden Gate at Battery Spencer. Here's my old stomping grounds. This is the Pacific Coast Highway, one of the most amazing drives in the United States. It was nearly perfect, except for the Bambi suicide. I'm okay. The truck is okay. Bambi is definitely not okay. Enjoying LA under the Hollywood sign. This was the Mojave National Preserve. Old Route 66 is on our bucket list. Seeing the Grand Canyon for the first time was bittersweet, since our Phantom Ranch reservations were canceled and Greyhound wasn't here to see this with me. This is Palo Duro, the second largest canyon in the US, behind you know what. There's Fort Worth, and here's Houston. Here is Lake Pontchartrain. Sorry, Alabama. Bye. This was the Blue Ridge Mountains area, so different from just 2 months ago. George Washington's Mount Vernon. And now I'm back home on Long Island to hibernate with meat and beer and cheese curds. Please let me know your favorite places in the United States. The goal of this trip wasn't to explore like we usually do, but that doesn't mean we've stopped accepting ideas. This is Magellan.
And this is Greyhound.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. For more epic road trips, kayaking, hiking, and other outdoor adventure videos, please subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you on the trails or in the water.